So what is Fly Vault? Well, it's several things. And after I'm done talking, my wife is going to walk you through all the different features that we have currently available. So stay tuned for that. These are things that we've seen or heard people like yourself in the fly tying community worldwide ask for and or want. So point one, we are a social media platform. We've had numerous people ask for a social media platform. I run a decent sized Facebook group, and people are tired of having their information sold and or spammed, ads and all that kind of thing. So for one, we don't do that. What is the Vault? I think there's a little bit of confusion coming from some people about that we're just a social media platform. No, what the Vault actually is a 100% user submitted, people like yourself, searchable database for fly recipes. So when you submit a fly to be put into the Vault, and you can actually include your name on this so that you, as the fly tyer, can just type in your name. It will pull up the information that has been stored. So if there's videos attached, or maybe you're a little more old school and like articles attached, you can attach all those to a pic and a recipe and have all of that pull up for you at your fingertips. Okay, so let's say you have some of this red tinsel dubbing from Simperfly. If you actually type all those words in to the database, the Simperfly red tinsel dubbing, anybody else that's searching for it or you're trying to pull it back up, that's going to pull up in the database. So all the materials all the materials will be fully accessible that's typed into the recipe. Or say you have a lightning strike, I forgot here, I got a size 14 dry fly hook, you can type that in. If you put the model number in, that's going to pop up. Or maybe you just have some 2mm craft foam black. So you get the idea. So all the more information you feed the database, the more information the database can pull up for you. Plus, we have some really cool ideas for features that we've also seen asked for that we want to bring forth. We're not quite there yet, and we need support from people like you that want to be a part of something that we think is going to be revolutionary, and we want you to join us. So we've kind of explained some of this a little bit, and several people have asked to get us, have us get a little bit more in detail. And so I'm going to actually kick it over to my wife, where she's going to actually, it's about 13 minutes or so, where she's actually going to walk you through how to use the features we have up and running currently. And if you're not a part of the Vault, we hope you join us.
Hey everybody, this is Cassandra Jones coming to you with part 3 of the flyvault.net introduction series. And this short video is going to go into specifically the Fly Vault and the features contained there, as well as maybe some future preview of future features that we are looking to build. So once you are registered for the site and are a member of the site, and if you need information on how to do that, there's another video that we'll link. But once you're in, then you should have access to all of these great options here, including the Fly Vault. The Fly Vault is a user-generated archive of fly patterns. And we're really, really excited about this feature, and we're really hoping that you guys can get excited about it too and help us build it, because Brent is just one man and can only tie so many flies. So what this is it's basically, and this is just the version 1.0. We will be looking at ways to update this database as it grows, because it will grow. And so it will not look like this forever, but for now, looks very similar to a recipe blog, and you can go in here and you can search through the different patterns that have been uploaded and submitted to the site. Now this is totally searchable. You can use this little search tool up here. If you have some black wool at home and you have some you need to find a pattern to use that up, because you just can't get to the fly shop or for new material, or don't have time or money or whatever, and you just need to use up this black wool. So you can search black wool, and then it'll come up with whatever patterns use that particular type of material. So what's great about this is we'll just start to collect and store all the patterns that we can get. And where you guys can help us out is here in Submit a Fly. Because again, although he is constantly tying, Brett can only tie so many flies. And so we are really looking forward to having you guys submit your flies as well, so that your work can also be recorded and saved and searched for the ages, as long as the website is around, right? So you'll go to this Submit a Fly form. Again, this is version 1.0. We will definitely be upgrading our tech as we move along, but you'll just enter the name of the fly, upload an image, put your name here, and list out the materials. Please do it just like it shows here, because that's what's gonna make it searchable. You can list a category if you want, and if it's not listed here, just choose other and type in the category that you feel fits best, and then that category will be added to the category list for future users. And then the submitted by field will automatically list whoever the user is that's signed in. So that is the Submit a Fly form. Right now, that submission will not post automatically to the vault. It comes to us on the back end, and we will have to manually input it and post it to the vault. Again, we do have the systems in mind to be able to have that automatically post. We're just not quite there yet, so that will be coming up soon in some upcoming changes and upgrades that we're really excited about. But that is the Fly Vault and Submit a Fly for right now. And then in the future, some of the things that will give you a little sneak peek of what we're looking forward to. We have these two things here, My Fly Box and My Fly Shop. You can click on these pages, but they're in development. There's not anything, there's just a little message and a cute meme. But these are features that we definitely hope to have released in the future. We're working on. Brent is very excited about them. He'll talk about them more. And then also the last thing real quick is we do plan on taking this website into an app. Hopefully in the summertime, we'll be able to do that. So we're looking forward to that as well. So that is the wrap up of the Little Fly Vault introduction video. If you have any questions, let Brent or I know. We're happy to answer. And as always, as Brent likes to say, happy tying.